Hello guys, Celes here, and welcome back for another episode of your daily dose of workout. For today's video, we will be focusing on a full body workout that requires you a 0 to less weight. But before anything else, make sure you've done with your warm-up, mobility, stretching to prepare you with the movement. Please prepare your water bottle, your towel, and your mat. So, if you're ready, then let's go!
Fearless.
Number 1, twist with knee kicks. To set up, slightly bend the knees, twist from one side to another, and then kick your knees to the side. Options below. Make sure that your upper body remains on the front as you kick your knee towards the side. Do it for 10 reps and then switch to another side. Number 2 is a compound movement, squat to press with side leg lifts. To begin, legs are hip width apart, slightly bend the knees. For options, squat with front punch. Do it in 10 reps and then switch to the other side of the legs. As you press the weights up, lift your legs on the side. As you lift your leg on the side, keep your supporting leg slightly bent. Number 3, plank to side touch. Start with your planking position. Keep a core tight, knees reaching towards the side. Do this for about 10 reps. Next is bear to plank. Start with a bear position and then jump your toes out to make a plank position. Make sure that your core are tight to avoid overbending of the hips. As you do this, contract your core all the time. Do this for about 10 reps. Number 5 is plank with leg lift. Start with your hover plank. Elbow down on the floor or on your mat. Keep your elbow aligned under your shoulder and then straight your legs. Maintain a tiptoe. Lift your legs up, and as you lift your leg, squeeze your butt and your core. This promotes good balance and core strength. Number 6, back extension. Chest and thigh down on your mat, and then straight your arms above your head and then lift your chest off the floor. Keep your legs together and keep it touching the floor as you lift your upper body up. To strengthen your lower back. Do this for 10 reps. Last but not the least, hold your plank for about 30 seconds. Keep a contract core and make sure you're holding it still. Avoid unnecessary movements and focus on your stability. Don't forget to breathe in and breathe out as you hold your plank. At kung bitin ka, watch out for another episode of your daily dose of workout with me, Celes, your home fitness trainer. And I'll see you again next week. Have a great day and God bless!
Fearless.